Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set it up a couple of seconds ago here, my face recognition, and now I'll just try to check and to see how fast the face unlock is on this device. So I'll make a couple of tries. For example, I'll make 5 tries to unlock the device, and we'll see the difference between them and how fast the face unlock method is on our SONY Xperia tablet. So I'll just try the first time to see if I'm sitting in a good position. And okay, let's try to do that. So 3, 2, 1. First, second, third, fourth, and the I think this. I'll try once again. As can you see, the face unlock method is not so much faster, but if we're just talking about this tablet, I think that's work normal here. So you can use the face unlock method here on this device. They just I don't know, maybe you just can unlock your device in 1.5 seconds. So I think that's the normal result for this tablet. So if you like some methods like the face recognition or the fingerprint, something on these unlock methods, not the pin or pattern, so I suggest you to use the face unlock test, or face unlock method on this device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.